Alright, so here's another quick video to show you how you can manage your blog. So essentially a blog consists out of multiple blog posts, and we do have various options for them. So we'll start off once again with the very basic and just going over some of the details and showing you what options you have and how you can display your blog posts. So if we go over to Flow Theme and click on Content Settings, we'll scroll down just about halfway to the middle, and we'll see here a section where we have blog listing layout types and views. So we have here a list view, then we also have a thumbnail view, and then we also have a grid view, which basically, from what you can tell here from the images, this is similar to a thumbnail view, but it also has some text right underneath the image. So we also have the option of selecting an excerpt list view. Now what this means is excerpt is actually used mainly for showcasing bits and pieces of the blog post. For example, like this over here. So we have the title, we can have some images and text as a blog post preview. If we deselect it, or if we select no to show excerpt view, if we click it like this, this means that your entire blog will be fully expanded, and it will take a while to load all of the images and content. So for example, what I'll do right now, I'll just refresh this page, and as we are in excerpt view, you see the page loaded quite quickly. If we select no and actually decide to load the entire content for each blog post, I'll refresh this blog post or blog page, and we can see that the page actually takes time to load, as there could be anywhere from 50 or 100 images uploaded to your blog post, just depending on how many images you like to upload to a blog post. So from a better user experience, it's best to have either excerpt view. You have a short preview of your blog post, some basic text, and then you can have your users select which blog post they want to go into. Alright, the other important thing when setting the settings for your blog post is the amount of blog posts you want to show on your blog. So in order to showcase the amount of blog posts, just go over to Settings and click on Reading. You will then be taken to this page here, and you can select the amount of blog posts you want to showcase on your blog page. So for example, if you want to have a grid layout like this over here, you can select, for example, 9 blog posts, so you can have a nice set of 3 thumbnails per each row. If you want to have just a blog listing with every single blog post you've uploaded, you can type in anywhere from 10 to 100, whatever works best for you. But we do recommend to keep it somewhere up to 10 blog posts max, because just so the loading speed of your website doesn't slow down. The other thing to keep in mind whenever setting your blog post settings is some general features. And if you go over to Flow Theme and you click on Post Settings, you can make those updates or make those adjustments by enabling similar blog posts, enabling blog post criteria, blog post tags, show breadcrumbs, etc., etc. So these are just some overall general settings of how you want your blog to appeal overall. So now that we've went over the basic settings for your blog posts, we'll show you how to add content to the blog post. So as you will notice, we have many blog posts here which are actually in excerpt mode or preview mode, but none of them actually have an image. So what we need to do in this case is, if we've actually uploaded our content, and we'll just go into our blog post and we see that we have images uploaded, multiple images uploaded, what we need to do in this case is select a featured image or preview image. Okay, so what we need to do is just click on Set Featured Image, and then we go over here and click on Uploaded to this post. And this will show the images which are uploaded only to this post. So here we have all of those images, and we can select any image we like. So I'll just go ahead and select the first image. Actually, let's select this one here and click on Set Featured Image. So once the image has appeared here, we can click on Update, go back to our blog, refresh the page. Okay, so what we see here is that the image is actually super small and that it doesn't really look very good. So in this case, we need to go back to our flow theme section and find over here where it says image sizes. We click on that, scroll down, and here we have Listview image width. Okay, so we can set the image width, and over here says default by, the default setting is 640 pixels, so we'll just type in 640 pixels. Of course, you can make it wider if that would be required, but I'll just leave it at default, and I'll leave it at the default height for 340 pixels. Okay, so we've made that adjustment. Now we can click on Update Settings. We'll go back to our blog, refresh this page. And here we have the full view of our image. Okay, so this is how you can make certain updates and adjustments to the blog in general. In order to add a new blog post, if you want to just start off from scratch, what you need to do is just go to Posts and click on Add New. You insert your blog post title. Okay, and you insert your text, your experience of the event you've been at. So I'll add just some basic dummy text for now, and I will click on Add Media to upload files to my new blog post. Okay, so here are a few images that I'm going to upload. Alright, so once these images are uploaded, once again scroll down, make sure they are listed to full size. After that, I'll just need to click on Insert into Post. So I have all of those images added to my blog post, and you can see them here in HTML or in text mode. If we switch over to visual mode, you'll see all of these images uploaded. Alright, so we'll just go back to text mode. We select our categories. You can add your tags. You can adjust the settings. Set featured image as the preview image. And here's some additional information, additional settings which you can add to your blog. After that, once all the adjustments and refinements have been done, you can go ahead and publish your blog post. So we'll go back to our blog, refresh this page. And here we have a blog post title. Here's a quick preview. If we click on the actual blog post, it directs us to another page where we can see the full post view. So this is pretty much it in terms of how and where you can make updates and adjustments to your blog. And once again, I do hope this video helps. Thank you, everyone.